So guys, let me show you the Microlink beaded bundle. The beads are already attached to the bundle, so this makes installing so much easier. The only tools you'll need are your I-tip pliers, your I-tip hooks, and absolutely no thread is needed for this install. You don't need a lot of hair for this install. I used about a bundle and a half on my client. The bundles are reusable. This particular install technique is great if you want to add fullness to the hair and maybe a couple of inches of length. It lays super flat and has a very natural look. This yaki texture and more are available at iloveposhcollection.com. Be sure to read the caption for more information on this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time.